Today we are studying with the rivers of the whole India, and then dams on the rivers also we'll do also, and in the next and thereafter we'll also see the lakes of India. These are the three things that we have to complete for India. So it has been divided into one. I said that Indus river system, another I said that Ganges river system, another I said that Brahmaputra river system. That is the major river system in the north. Thereafter, if I talk about, I said that there is a Mahanadi river system, understood? Then I said that Godavari river system, Krishna river system, Kaveri river system. So which are the major river system that we have to see? Indus, Ganges, Brahmaputra, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. And thereafter there are some smaller river systems are there. Understood it? And try to remember in the class only. Understood? I said that first we are going to see Indus river system. And in the Indus river system, I said that the major right bank tributaries which can be seen, right bank tributaries are there, and another I said that left bank tributaries. Which one I said that? Right bank tributaries and left bank. I said the first left bank tributaries, I said that Satluj, आप लोग लिखते भी चलेंगे, ब्यास, रावी, चेनाब, Jhelum, and then I said that Jaskar. Which are the river I said that? Satluj, Byas, Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum. And then I said that Jaskar. Understood? Which are the river? Satluj, Byas, Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum and Jaskar. And now, how you can remember these rivers? I said that Sa, Be, Ra, Chacha, Ji. Sa, Be, Ra, Chacha जी कार में घूमने जाते हैं. सबेरा में चाचा जी कहाँ जाते हैं? जनरली इन द दिल्ली सिटी लाइक दिल्ली में क्या होता है, व्हाट हैपेंस, लोग यहाँ पे टहलने भी जाते हैं तो पहले कार पकड़ते हैं. तैयार व्यार हुआ, दे हैव टेकन द कार, देन गो टू द वन पर्टिकुलर पार्क, वहाँ पे टहलेंगे, बाहर आएंगे, देन छोले कुलचे खाएंगे एंड देन कमिंग रिटर्न बैक. तो दिस इज इन अ वे दैट दे आर मेकिंग देयर हेल्थ सिस्टम. सो आई सेड स बे रा चा चा जी. स फॉर सतलुज, बे फॉर ब्यास, रा फॉर रावी, चा फॉर चेनाब and G for Jhelum and Kar for Jaskar. Can you remember? Satluj, Byas, Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum, Jaskar. याद हो गया? Yes. Which story I said that? Sabera चाचा जी क्या करते हैं? कार में घूमे जाते हैं. स for Satluj, Be for Ra for Chacha for Chenab and G for Jhelum and Kar for Jaskar. Can you remember? Is it completely okay? And यहीं पे सारे इंफॉर्मेशन आपको लिखते चलने. सतलुज, ब्यास, रावी, चेनाब, झेलम एंड जास्कर. अंडरस्टूड? and these rivers are from south to north. यदि UPSC has asked arrange this river north to south and south to north, तो south है, and you can see this river. This is I said that Satluj. This is I said that Byas, Ravi, Chenab, and this is I said that Jhelum, and here we have what? Jaskar. So these rivers are what is in a south to north. Getting my point? Satluj, Byas, Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum. I said that Satluj, Byas, Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum. Understood it? So I have said, like I said, that Satluj river, and it is a tributary of Indus. It is a tributary of, yes or not? And then Indus I talked about, it is originated from Mara. इंडिया वालों को सारे लोग आके मारते जाते हैं, यस और नॉट? कोई आया बम फोड़ दिया, कोई कुछ किया. मानसरोवर एंड राकास लेक. आप नोट्स को बाद में रेफर करना, जो आपको एक्स्ट्रा हेल्प मिलेगा, आप कंप्लीटली यहाँ ध्यान देना. आई सेड दैट मानसरोवर एंड राकास लेक. Understood? Can you remember? Indus river originated from, and if you can see that in the map of India, I said that in the Tibet we have there is a Mansarovar and a Rakas lake, and this Indus river is moving like this. Correct? कहाँ से originate हुआ? Mansarovar. And which lake I said? Mansarovar and, can you remember? Which lake I said that? Mansarovar, Rakas lake. And यहाँ पर आप लोग जब mountain ranges कराऊंगा तो यहाँ पे there is an what? काराकोरम यहाँ पर range है. उसके बाद there is an, I said that Ladakh range, and there is an Jaskar range. So it is flowing between Ladakh and Jaskar. इंडिया में किसके बीच में flow कर रहा है? Flowing between Ladakh range and which is this? I said that Jaskar range. Can you remember? It is flowing between which two ranges? Ladakh range and, याद हो गए? Which two ranges I said that? Ladakh range and Jaskar range. और यहाँ पर आता है तो there is it is in a western end of Himalayas. Means Himalayas is extending from, I said from here to what I said that here. And यहाँ से Indus river it is, तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक है, तो इसकी western most point है जिसको बोलते हैं ना, and eastern most point is also ना. ना means, here it is ना means Nanga Parvat, and here na means Namcha Barwa peak. So which peak is there? Which peak is this? So Nanga Parbat peak. So this Ladakh and Jaskar range flowing between Ladakh and range, and what I said that this Indus river system is flowing between Ladakh and Jaskar range, and it is taking south turn. Southward turn कहाँ से लिया? From Nanga Parvat peak, which I said that from Nanga Parvat peak it taken a south turn and enter into Pakistan. Understood? Clear idea? Indus river? Yes, tell me, what is Indus river? It is originated from Mara. Indus river is originated from Mansarovar and Rakas lake. इतना याद हो गया? Thereafter it entered into India, Jammu and Kashmir, or which two ranges? Ladakh and Jaskar range. Understood? कहीं पे J भी है, हम लोग just लिख रहा हूँ, एक्चुअल में Z होता है. It is actually I said that Z. मैं J लिख कर याद कर रहा हूँ कि just मिलना है ना. Just समझते हो? फेमस होना. बाद में मैं बोलता भी हूँ, वैसे Z है Jaskar. I said that. Which one I said that? Yes, tell me. Indus river originated from Mansarovar and Rakas lake. It entered into India between which two ranges? Ladakh and Jaskar range. From the Nanga Parvat peak, it took southward turn and entered into Pakistan. Thereafter, I said that which are the rivers and tributaries are there? Satluj, Byas, Ravi, चेनाब, झेलम एंड जास्कर। इतना याद हो गया है। सबेरा में चाचा जी, इस लाइन को याद रखेंगे। स्लोली एंड स्लोली विल कम टू नो विच रिवर। सतलुज रिवर ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम मानसरोवर एंड राकास लेक। इट इज ऑल्सो ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम, कैन यू रिमेंबर? और सत्य वाले आदमी क्या होते हैं? मारे जाते हैं। मिस्टर गांधी वॉज ऑल्सो व्हाट इट इज ना, नाथुराम गोडसे ने अच्छे से मारा था, मतलब अच्छे से टाइम लिया, नमस्कार किया और सब बढ़िया है। उसके बाद सतलुज रिवर ऑल्सो ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम मानसरोवर एंड राकास लेक। कैन यू रिमेंबर इन योर माइंड? नाउ ब्यास एंड रावी रिवर, I am talking about Byas and Ravi river. I said that how many sun in our solar system? One. And sun को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? रवि। मुझे याद कराना है क्या? And I said that if in our solar system यदि 20 रवि हो जाए, can we exist on this earth? Heat will be very high. और उसके वजह से we will what? Die and will convert into Ru. Will convert into, so if there is in a 20 Ravi, how many Ravi? So will convert into Ru. It means it is originated from Rohtang Pass. Can you remember? In Himachal Pradesh. Rohtang Pass. So if we have an how many Ravi? 20 Ravi. If we have an how many Ravi? 20 Ravi, we will convert into, yes tell me, Ru, Byas and रावी। अंडरस्टूड? समझ में आ गया? तो ब्यास एंड रावी कहां से ओरिजिनेट हुआ? बोथ आर ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम विच? रोहतांग पास। कैन यू रिमेंबर? यस। इंडस रिवर ट्रिब्यूटरीज आर सतलुज, ब्यास, रावी, एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू सी चेनाब। एंड देन चेनाब रिवर, इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट बप्पी लहरी? फेमस म्यूजिशियन, music director, singer, and he is famous for one thing. गाना जो भी हो, अभी उनका तम्मा तम्मा, it is in a remix, it is of बप्पी लहरी itself. I said that उन एक चीज के लिए फेमस है, वो गोल्ड चेन के लिए। किसके लिए? चेन के लिए। किसके लिए? चेनाब, चेन के लिए। एंड पंकज सर ने काउंट किया, उनमें चेन कितने थे? 12। कितने चेन पहनते हैं वो? हाउ मेनी? 12। So Chenab river originated from Baralachala. Which pass? Baralacha pass. Which pass? Baralacha La. La means pass. So Chenab river originated from here. Yes, tell me. Completely okay in your mind? Chenab river originated from Baralacha La. Completely okay? Any problem? Now I said that, बट एक्चुअली में चेनाब नहीं ओरिजिनेट हुआ है, यहां से 2 रिवर ओरिजिनेट हुए थे। देयर इज वन नेम इज चंद्रा, अनदर नेम इज व्हाट आई सेड दैट? भागा। विच रिवर आई सेड दैट? चंद्रा एंड भागा, एंड दे गेट टुगेदर बिकम चेनाब। अंडरस्टूड? दे गेट टुगेदर एंड बिकम व्हाट? चेनाब। सो विच रिवर आई सेड दैट? From the Chenab river actually originated from Baralachala, but actual में देखा जाए तो which 2 rivers originated? Chandra and Bhaga. They get together become Chenab. याद हो गया? Yes. Thereafter I said that Jhelum. I said that jail में कैसे लोग रहते हैं? What kind of people lives in the jail? It is a नाग type people. Yes or not? अच्छे लोग रहते हैं या बुरे लोग? And बुरे लोग को क्या बोलते हैं? नाग. So it is originated from, I said that Nag means, I said very Nag lake. Can you remember? Is it completely okay? It is originated from very Nag lake in Jammu and Kashmir. Rohtang Pass is in Himachal Pradesh. Baralachala, it is also in Himachal Pradesh, but very Nag lake is in what? Jammu and Kashmir. Is it okay? And Jaskar river originated from Jaskar range. Understood? अभी देखा था? यहाँ से originate हुआ, it is going and moving like this. So you have remembered the what is in a reverse, which are I said that left bank tributaries. Understood? And I said that we have seen that there is an Indus River it is, and it is flowing between Jaskar and Ladakh range. Understood it? And after that we have seen there is a Satluj river originated, and then it is moving like this. And after Satluj river I said Byas river. Clear? And Satluj, Mansarovar and Rakas lake. Indus, Mansarovar and Rakas lake. But Byas and Ravi originated from Rohtang Pass. Understood? Ru. And Ravi river originated from, I said, Rohtang Pass. Clear? And it is meeting in Pakistan. And Satluj के साथ ब्यास कहाँ पे मिल रहा था? In Punjab. हरीके wetland, जो आप एक environment में पढ़ते हैं, environment ecology में. Out of 26 wetland, it is in one wetland is in the what? In India. Here it is Harike wetland. Thereafter I talked about Chenab river. And Chenab river कहाँ से originate हुआ? Just tell me. Chain कितने पहनते हैं papillary? 12. So 12 lacha la. 12 lacha la. So here it is originated, and it meets with the Jhelum river. It meets with Jhelum. And then I said that, and ये तीनों दिख रहे हैं आपको यहाँ से, Byas, Ravi, and here we have, which one I said that? Chenab. ये तीनों का origination कहाँ पे? It is in the Himachal Pradesh. Thereafter I said that there is from the very Nag lake, Jhelum river has been originated. Completely समझ में आ चुका है? Yes. So we have seen, and this river is what? Jaskar. This river is what? Jaskar. Understood? So हम लोगों ने ये river system हम लोग completely देख चुके हैं. Next one that